So if you just took your smoothie and you sort of drank it in the morning, that if you just have the smoothie and the fruits and vegetables and nothing else, most of the nutrients would probably just pass straight through your body and go in the toilet. So we did work showing that if you eat carrots, maybe only 5% of them would actually release from the plant material in a form that you can actually absorb. But if we use these nanotechnology approaches and you put these very small nano-sized fat droplets there, they get broken down in your body and create this sort of nanostructure inside your body that can help the nutrients come out of the vegetables and then get into your blood. So we just did some work recently with another professor, Hong Zhao, in our department, where we used students as usual, and we fed them sort of salads. And then we measured the blood, the level of things called carotenoids in the blood. So these are, health promoting components in foods. And they're really good for things like eye health and maybe anti-cancer stuff. And if you just did the vegetables on your own, you get a very sort of low level of these absorbed by your blood. But if you put them with our specially designed sort of nano food, you could get a huge increase in the amount of these health promoting components actually get absorbed into your blood. So in the long run, that could have some really big health benefits.
Whoa. Okay, that's interesting. So vegetables and fruits, we're told to eat that and they're healthy for us. But what you're working on specifically and kind of diving into is how to help these food sources, how to sort of tailor them or create the nutrients that we need. So specifically for the human body so that we can get more benefit, that we don't eat a whole carrot and a lot of it we just poop it out, Yeah,
exactly. Yeah, so I think, from a sustainability point of view and sort of efficiency point of view, if we're growing all these fruits and vegetables which are packed full of all these beneficial nutrients, but we're not actually absorbing in our body, they're just going into landfill or, down the toilet and getting cleaned up in the toilet. So you're wasting all these sort of beneficial nutrients. So what we're trying to do is use that technology for maybe designing it for sort of developing countries where they don't get enough sort of vitamins and minerals in the diet. So what you do is make sure that the ones that they do get boosted, absorbed into the bloodstream much more better.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.